When I left Test captainship, I knew, split captaincy doesn't work in India. Doesn't work in our setup. So I was waiting for the right time as to what is the right time. I wanted Virat to ease into the Test format, and with so many games, I feel he's right there. And also the fact, with this kind of a decision, the best thing is there's no, wrong decision in it. It's just the timing, and it's the right time. I feel this team has the potential, to do well in all the formats, irrespective of where we are playing. And people keep debating as to who's a good captain, who's a bad captain, who's the best captain. I think this team has the potential, when it comes to winning games, they should win games more than any other captain or team has won, because that's the kind of potential that they have got. You look at the kind of talent they have, and at the same time, the age group they are in. It seems as if everything goes well, they have the potential to play for the next 10 years or 12 years, if not more. Starting from the Champions Trophy, to win the Champions Trophy in England. And, I felt it was the right time to move on, because if I'd have stayed till the Champions Trophy, nothing much changes. A lot of people were like, okay, why did I quit mid-series in Australia, But, you have to look at the bigger picture. What is more beneficial? One more game into my Test number, maybe would have been about 92 or 91, whatever. It doesn't make a lot of a difference, but since Saha was there, he gets a chance to play one more game in Australia, and if everything goes well, he will be the person who will be going into the foreign tour, so he has that exposure, and Virat also at the same time gets the same kind of exposure.